Hi, this is Yusuf. I'm the owner of Aleppo Shawarma and Donair. I opened this business 2 years ago. Before I used to work at the airport as a maintenance. Was exciting idea my wife and I come up with to open family business, and she used to work here, and we found it lots of potential for this business to open. One of the most reasons is the true job security. Will be our great investment in the future. Nothing come easy. Everything needs lots of work, long hours, and it may risk. And we'll be driven to make every day as productive as we can. COVID wave after wave effect on us hard. Also the materials we use in this store, the prices spike double, triple, and more, and most of the items, like, it's hard to find missing. But with all of that, we stay strong. North Hill Mazda contribution was great by promoting the Aleppo Shawarma and Donair, buying gift cards and distribute to the community around, bring more customer to our store to try our menu. Also the Facebook ad and link to our website, it's a huge impact. More than 45% customers check our website and place an order. So that's a great contribution. Thank you, North Hill Mazda and local legend, for a great contribution and support to Aleppo Shawarma and Donair. And we wish you a successful year 2022. Thank you.